Hello, my YouTube friends. This is Dave Wilson. I wanted to just post another video. Had some problems today, and I think I figured out some of them. Anyway, this is going to be a mount for my Raspberry Pi 4 and EasyAble board for the Ender 5 Plus. And this is like the fifth time I tried to print it, and I kept having failures. And I couldn't exactly figure out why. And I think I finally figured out what was happening. I had my retraction set to an incorrect value in my slicer. So I had it set for 4 millimeters, which for most printers would probably be a good number, but for an OmniaDrop, it needs to be about 0.6 to 0.7, less than 1 millimeter. So what was happening, it was actually retracting the filament enough that it would start slipping. So I've got that fixed, and I put a new nozzle on and tightened everything up, so I think I'm going to be able to be successful on this one. But something else I wanted to show you, I always thought I could work on cars or do woodworking. I realized that my skill level was not that good, so I found 3D printers are really a lot easier, a lot cheaper to work on, and certainly a lot lighter. But I just printed, this is going to be a new test mount for my OmniaDrop. And I want to show you the reason I like Slicer 3, Simplify 3D, I'm sorry, is that here's the supports on this, and they just pop right off. I mean, I've used Prusa, and I've used Cura, and you know, I'm doing this one-handed, and I've just never had supports that just pop right off like this. And you know, it's just, to me, people say, well, why would you spend money for a slicer when you need the free ones? I've just had such good luck with this, and that's the reason I do it. But so this is going to go on here, I'm hoping. So once I get all the supports off, this will go right here. And I'm trying to make this a little bit more minimal. I still need something to support the wires, so I use the Bowden tube as a support, and that goes in this slot here, so I can use that to attach the wires to. I was trying to design a mount where the EasyAble would go on the left. Get my beer out of the way. But I'm sorry, the right. But I just couldn't do it because it kept hitting the end stops here. It would hit things, or the fan on the OmniaDrop. So Max is going to try to give me some ideas on that, but right now I think I'm back to the left mount. Anyway, just want to let you know what I'm doing, and I'll tell you, I try to clean things up. It's not happened today, that's for sure. But the other thing I like about 3D printing is my entire set of tools, and a lot of this is just crimping tools for connectors, which I found I can make all my own connectors now, and it really does help. So I can customize all the wiring. Well, thanks for watching, and please leave me comments.